Bruh.
Oh, they're just driving away.
Oh, fuck, that wasn't good.
Oh.
Bruh.
Oh.
What was that?
Сука, блядь,
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
Run. Shit. Oh.
We need to pull over up into that parking lot.
Look out! Oh my god!
Pull over.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh, there's a big dog on the side of the car.
That's why I make $3. Why did the storage continue?
What?
Important to them, okay, but Joe Biden didn't want to talk to the Taliban, and then the Chinese didn't want to call. They went face to face and talked and told them exactly what they wanted them to do. They're the pit bull.
Yeah, right here. Actually, that was very quick. That was faster than I thought. What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh my god.
ANM 67.
6254.
Hello there.